Guys, in this video I will show you how to share Apple Notes very easily with someone. So for example, if you want to share this note, let me add just a little text. For example, this is a note. If you read this, please subscribe to the channel, something like this. And if you want to collaborate within this note, or you just want to share it, you can tap on this share icon in the right upper corner of your screen. So this works for your iPhone as well as for your MacBook. So tap on the share button right here, and as you can see, you can tap on, or you can select collaborate, or you can tap on send a copy. Choose whatever you want, and yeah, you can share it through iMessage, or you can share it through AirDrop mail messages, or yeah, another you can choose other options. So it's very easy and completely free and very fast to share an Apple Note. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.